Yeah, this song's called Put an Egg in the Microwave.
You only have 2 minutes.
Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Sometimes when I get lonely and hungry, I get an egg, put it up in there and watch it boring. I just want to see something happy happen. Then it explodes. I'm like, what the fuck, bitch? Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Go.
I put an egg in a microwave and see what happens. My mama whipped my egg because it exploded faster. Goddamn. Why y'all told me to do that? It's a damn shame. Put an egg in a microwave and see what happens.
Put an egg
Put some
in the
salt
microwave.
on it, pepper and pepper.
Put an egg in the microwave
And see what happens.
Put an egg in the microwave.
And see what happens.
I put an egg in the microwave to see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave. Oh. Remix.
Mr. Leisure.
Here we go.
Right now.
Here we go. Up on the floor. About to do a little remix for us.
Miss Williams.
Come on, man. You don't be shy. Come on, Alasia. You gotta try. Oh my God. Put an egg in the microwave, Alasia.
Alasia.
Put an egg in the microwave, Alasia.
Miss Thompson.
Put an egg in the microwave, Alasia.
Not Thompson, it's
Put an egg in the microwave.
Come on, Alasia. What happened to you when you put an egg in the microwave?
Yeah,
what happened?
What happened, Alasia?
Tell your story. To the beat.
I just tried to put my egg in my
Come on.
Oh my God, give me this camera.
Okay.
No.
No. Okay,
No, it's in
all right. No. Okay, just give it here. We're done with it. Put it in the microwave and see what happens. Put it in the microwave and see what happens. Put it in the microwave and see what happens.
I'm embarrassed.
Oh!
We don't do eggs in the microwave no more. We don't do eggs in the microwave no more. We like big booty bitches.
Put an egg in the microwave, egg. Put an egg in the microwave, egg. Put an egg in the microwave, egg. Put an egg in the microwave.
And see what happens.
Put an egg in the microwave.
Big booty.
Big booty. I really do. I really do though.
Big booty.
Oh, that's really big.
Miss Parker got a fat ass.
Whoop.
Walking down the hall with her fat ass. Can I talk to your fat ass? Your fat ass got a number. Cali.
Coochie.
Fat ass.
Woo.
I want to smash, I want to hit it. All on that fat ass.
But you a virgin.
Goddamn. That fat ass. Not a fucking V. Got experience with that fat ass.
Put an egg in the microwave and see what happens. Put an egg in the microwave. Hey, Cuban, come over here. Put an egg in the microwave. Okay, wait. Meet the creator. Never mind, don't read the creator.